Welcome to Pbteck, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can actually scan your Dstv Zapper HD decoder if you are living in Kenya. So you pick up your DSTV remote, you press on the blue button which will take you to the DSTV menu, and you use the arrow left and right keys to search for settings. On the settings menu, come down to the satellite settings and you move on to the home network. You press OK on it, you wait for some seconds, and on this page you come down to the launch installation wizard. Alright, so with the satellite you need to select the E36B. If it has changed, you have to search for the E36B and then put it on it. So E36B, and you press OK to proceed. So on this page you come down to the manual setup, not the quick setup, manual setup. Okay, and have the LMB type right here. With LMB, with using a Zapper HD decoder, normally it comes along with the universal LMB, so you need to select the universal LMB. But if in case they use a DSTV smart LMB, which they inserting in a unique cable port, you need to change it to unique cable TM/CR. So if the universal doesn't show anything, the signal status on the right side doesn't show anything, you need to change it to the unique cable to check whether that will show. Alright, so after selecting your LMB type and nothing indicates that there is a signal, as you can see on my screen, there is some blue indication over there which actually signal that there is a stable signal or some signal on your decoder. Alright, so if nothing shows like this, if nothing shows, all you got to do is to check your signal cable and the satellite dish to get a signal. So you come down and you press OK to scan. Alright, so after scanning, all you got to do is to enjoy your channels. But if it's a new decoder, you need to activate it before you can get access to the channels or unlock the channel. So you have to call the Dstv office and then provide them with the using all the smart card number of the decoder, and they will do the activation for you right there. So if you are new here, all you got to do is to subscribe to this channel, like, share on other platforms. Thanks for watching.